In the next example is kind of a little bit of a, I want to say a weak example, but it's almost like a no-brainer. If I know where those animals are, it's going to take me less time to go and get them. So if you run some numbers of that, if I've got 1,000 cows in some pretty rough country and it takes me a month of spear trapping to get them, and that's, you know, one person of that, and then it takes me another few days in helicopter time and a bunch of people run around on motorbikes to try and get all those. And if I leave 50 cows behind because it's just very difficult to get them, I've got an opportunity there to try and reduce the costs of my mustering and also not miss any of my cows. This is a real example, by the way, from a CERESTAG user out near Morven in Western Queensland. So as a hypothetical, if they're putting out 1,000 tags, spending a few $100,000 as their investment, I want to make sure I get that money back. Well, 1 month of spear trapping in one person and 2 days of helicopter time for 3 people, if that's my hypothetical, so it saves me half the time in people and helicopters, and then you put some numbers around how much that costs you, you're essentially saving, you know, close to 200 grand in that whole exercise. Just time, helicopters, and cleaning up the cows that I would otherwise not have got, the cows and the calves. So the payback time for an example like that is not as immediate as it is for bulls or optimizing your mustering time. You might have to wait till the next mustering season, and then you might have to do it again the mustering season after that to squeeze more out of your tags. But you can see how that can stack up, and within a year or two, saving those costs and getting the extra cows that I would not have otherwise got can really start to bring me money and keep your bank manager happy because you know where all your assets are.